everyone, and welcome to Best Gadget channel. Today we will unbox, test and review, Magicsee CELIBATE HD computer webcam. This PC webcam is very unique as it is designed not only do online job interviews for Skype calls and streaming purposes, stream your gameplay on Twitch, or even connect to friends or family from abroad. Instead, it can also be used as a tool for teaching, FaceTime, OBS, Xbox One, Hangouts, Facebook Live, Zoom, Skype, YouTube. The USB webcam is capable of recording 1080p with 30 FPS, which makes the video smoother and more enjoyable for the viewers. Boosts high-definition lens that delivers true-to-life, sharp images. Automatic light correction and HDR technology. Computer webcam auto adjusts color and brightness for natural lighting so you always look your best on web camera even in dim light. The streaming webcam has a built-in microphone that is capable of suppressing background noise. The product is not only compatible with Windows July 8, 2010, Mac OS X 10.7 or higher version operation systems. Work with PC, notebook, laptop, desktop which has USB port. Noise reduction microphone and easy to set up and play and plug. HD 4K PC webcam captures full HD video at a wide angle of up to more than 110 degrees to accommodate more live streaming scenes. This stream cam easy to set up, just play and plug, no additional driver need. It also features a tripod-ready universal clip that fits to laptops and LCD monitors. This lit webcam 1080p will accompany you every moment of your daily life. Please feel free to contact us if you have any problems during using. Sincerely looking forward to servicing for you again.